Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Goomba from Mario. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and draw a U-shaped curve for the center of the eyebrows. Now for the left side, let's draw an S-shaped curve up and back down. And now let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's do the same thing underneath, coming to a point at the end. And now let's color both of the eyebrows in black. Next, let's hop down and add the eyes. Let's start underneath on the left side and let's draw an oval shaped curve down and back up. And now let's do the same thing for the right eye. Next, inside each eye towards the center, let's draw an oval. And now inside, let's add a circle at the top. And now let's color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a long curve across underneath. Then from the ends, let's step up and let's draw a triangle curve up and down for the teeth. Now from each end of the mouth, let's curve it back up at the bottom. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a curve across in between the eyebrows. Now let's continue it below by dipping it down and then out and curve it back in at the bottom. Now let's do the same thing on the right side. Now let's connect them with a curve at the bottom that comes up slightly in the middle and back down towards the edges. And that's it for the shape of the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Underneath, let's draw two curves down like this. And then connect them with a curve at the bottom. Next, let's draw the feet. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve out and then down. And the same thing on the right. Now let's hop underneath in the middle and let's draw two curves down. And now let's close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. And that's it for this Goomba. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!